ऐसा नहीं है, आप डेपुटेशन पर थे।
सर
ऐसा मत करिए, आप दो जगह का बेनिफिट नहीं ले सकते, आप
सर
डेपुटेशन पे थे।
डेपुटेशन पे सर तो हमको उसका कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिला। माय लॉर्ड में काइंडली सी annexure IA2 from there I was transferred to Chechai, there after I was transferred to
तो क्या हुआ है?
and I was not sent on training, my lord,
हाँ।
for the purposes of grant of higher third higher pay scale, my lord. If my lord may come to the order under review, my lord, page 11. For the year 2014 till 2017, my lord, the examinations were held, but I was not sent on training because I was sent on deputation to some other company.
आपका कर तो दिया उन्होंने, डायरेक्शन तो दे दिया रेड कोर्ट।
रेड कोर्ट ने दे दिया, उसके बाद उन्होंने कह दिया
फिर आप
कि
रिटर्न
from the
क्यों
date
डाल
of
रहे हैं?
examination, from the date of clearing of the examination, I would be entitled. I am seeking, my lord, that I am entitled from the date of option because I was not sent. I was no eligible.
3.4.
And my juniors were sent.
एक
I have,
मिनट।
my lord, I have filed certain orders, my lord, that from time to time, my lord, I was sent on deputation to one company, my lord. For 2 years, I was held up there. Thereafter, I was relieved.
What is the requirement of granting you higher pay scale?
My lord, the purpose
ट्रेनिंग प्लस एग्जाम,
training
ट्रेनिंग प्लस एग्जाम ना।
after training examination.
हाँ।
But I was eligible to be set, my lord. I was eligible even in the year 2014, but I was not set. They say, my lord, that from the year 2017 till 2023, no examination were held.
हाँ, फिर क्या? क्या गलत है इसमें?
My lord, the kindly see para 4 of the order under review, my lord.
हाँ हाँ बताइए, पैरा 4
It is-
पढ़िए।
It is at page number 12.
You are required to show that despite the fact that there was a statutory requirement to conduct exam every year, exam was not conducted, that caused prejudice to you. You will not be able to apply any modification.
My lord, I am on the point, my lord, that the junior was sent, my lord,
कब हुआ जूनियर?
2017 में।
तो आप क्यों नहीं गए?
हमको भेजे ही नहीं।
ऐसा नहीं है, आप डेपुटेशन पर थे।
सर
ऐसा मत करिए, आप दो जगह का बेनिफिट नहीं ले सकते, आप डेपुटेशन पे थे।
डेपुटेशन पे सर तो हमको उसका कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिला। माय लॉर्ड में काइंडली सी annexure IA2 from there I was transferred to Chechai, there after I was transferred to
तो क्या हुआ? Did your transfer prohibited you from undertaking the exam?
मतलब
ये तो खुद आपके खिलाफ चला जाएगा।
my lord, that is what my lord the respondents are required to show, my lord.
अब कहाँ है नियम, कहाँ है बताइए जिसमें लिखा है एग्जाम के बारे में? नियम कहाँ है?
ये एग्जाम के बारे में नियम ये है कि That is along with the petition, my lord.
हाँ.
If
And
my lord may come to this. They have filed along with their. This is my reply on behalf of respondent number 123, my lord.
सही गवर्नमेंट है कि आपने अप्लाई किया और आपको भेजा नहीं 2017 में ट्रेनिंग के लिए.
My lord, हम तो ये कहते हैं हमने 2020 में अप्लाई किया है. For 3 years I was not
ठीक है,
sent on
चलिए,
training.
कुछ होगा नहीं इसमें.
My lord, may kindly have a perusal of this reply, my lord.
रिप्लाई.
Reply on behalf of respondent number 123.
हाँ, शॉर्ट रिप्लाई वो देखना.
Short reply.
जी.
इसमें annexure R1 page 5 देख ले जी. Clause 2. The benefit of third time skill, my lord could get it, my lord. This is dated 23/11/2015.
बेनिफिट ऑफ थर्ड विल बी अलाउड.
The benefit of third time scale pay will be allowed after completion of 30 years of service from the first appointment in recruitment cadre of erstwhile MPEB, MPSCB oblique company from 1/9/15 or any date thereafter to those employees who have got only 2 upgradations, either by way of higher pay.
ये रिलेवेंट
Scale-
कहाँ है? ये तो आपका केस ही नहीं है कि 30 साल के बाद आपको नहीं दिया गया. आपका केस ये है
नहीं सर,
कि एग्जाम होल्ड नहीं किया इन्होंने.
और ये पैरा 7 पेज 7 देख लें, क्लॉज 4.
हाँ, पढ़िएगा फिर. पेज 7 क्लॉज 4.
He/she has passed necessary examination, if any, as prescribed as may be prescribed by the MPPGCL to get promotion to the higher grade as per rules of the
तो
MPPGCL.
ऐसा कहाँ लिखा है कि दे विल स्पॉन्सर यू टू पास दैट एग्जामिनेशन?
मतलब that is the practice in vogue, my lord.
नो नो सॉरी, देखिएगा. हर्ट श्री रजनीश गुप्ता, लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द.
May I be permitted to cite one judgment, my lord,
हाँ, दीजिए ना, क्यों नहीं.
if my lord may permit?
हाँ, व्हाई नॉट. एक से ज्यादा भी दे सकते हैं आप.
AIR
यहाँ
2000,
एक डिस्टिंग्विश करेंगे, वहाँ 2 कर देंगे, उसमें क्या दिक्कत.
sir,
अलाई दीजिए.
I am very thankful, man. AIR 2004 Supreme Court
किताब
255,
दे दीजिए ना मेरे वाले.
para 7.
हाँ, बताइए क्या लिखा उसमें. ये कैसे अप्लाई होगा ये?
सर इसमें ये दिया है कि सर DPC has to be conducted, my lord, every year.
चलिए देखिएगा. अब अपीलेंट इज सीकिंग recall of order, recall oblique review oblique modification of order dated
26/3/25.
26/3/25.
25.
कहाँ है वो? Annexure
Annexure IA1.
कहाँ से आइए देखेंगे.
Rate appeal 101/203/24.
26/3/2025 passed in WA 1203/24. Next one. The controversy in short is that writ court had passed an order dated 19th December 2023 in WP 18967/2020, whereby learned single judge of this High Court had directed the respondents to grant benefit of
Third higher pay.
third higher pay scale to the petitioner from the due date. Full stop. It has come on record and not disputed that respondents had sought clarification of this order, which was clarified by the Honorable Single Judge wide order dated 24/4/2024 while disposing of IA 927/2024, and it was clarified that since petitioner had passed the examination as was conducted in the year 2023, therefore he shall be entitled to the benefits of higher pay scale with effect from 12/6/2023 when he passed the accounts training examination. Next paragraph. Petitioners against this order, writ appeal was filed. bearing number 8784/24, which came to be disposed of by the Honorable Division Bench by order dated 26/3/2025. Next para. Shri Rajneesh Gupta points out that since examinations were not conducted from 2017 onwards and he was not allowed to participate in the exam which was conducted in the year 2017, therefore his date of career progression cannot be related back to the date on which he passed accounts training examination, that is June 2023. Next paragraph. Reliance is placed on the judgment of Supreme Court in P.N. Premchandran versus State of Kerala and others, AIR 2024, SC 255, and reading para 7 of the said judgment, it is submitted that ratio of the judgment will be applicable to the facts and circumstances of the case. Next para. Ms. Disha Rohitas, learned counsel for the respondents, Madhya Pradesh Power Generating Company Limited, in her turn submits that there is no provision for sponsoring a candidate to appear in accounts training examination, and as and when exam is held, candidates apply for it and appear. Full stop. Those who pass the examination are given benefits as per their entitlement and the rules prevailing in that behalf. Next para. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record, the basic controversy which is raised by learned counsel for the petitioner is that since no exams were conducted after 2017 and in 2017 he was not permitted to appear in the examination, such act of the respondents will not debar the petitioner from claiming benefit of career. Therefore, when tested, then neither the order under review nor that of the writ court can be faulted with. Application for review, modification, recall is dismissed.
My lord,
अब my lord क्या होता है?
P5 देख लें।
अच्छा ये हो गया,
हमने अप्लाई किया था सर,
आपने किया था, उससे क्या होता है?
उसके बावजूद ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन फॉरवर्ड करते गए।
चलिए नेक्स्ट केस। आपने 2020 में अप्लाई किया?
नहीं सर, ये देखिए सर, P5 देखिए, 2017, 2018, 2019।
आपको उसी वक्त आना चाहिए था कि मुझे नहीं भेजा गया। आप क्यों बैठे थे आराम से? आपको उसी वक्त आना चाहिए था।
P5 एक बार देख लें, पेज 29 में।
हाँ, देख लिया, चलिए। ये कवर्ड है, ये संजय सान्याल वाला वही है ना आपका? वो ऑर्डर दे दीजिएगा। स्टेज